the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with DizastrousBeauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Premium Lace Wig. Shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it, sis. So, honey, you know your girl loves a good card that has the information on it. Premium Lace Wig, like, we are already here. This is my first time working with you, and we are already here. I love these things. Okay, so it says hair type is 100% Brazilian virgin hair. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is natural color. The density is 150. The lace color is same as picture. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. The texture is loose wave. And the cap size is 13 by 5.5 lace front wig. Okay, so those are the details and specs. I'm not going to even bother going on the site because those are the specs that I have. I will have a direct link down below so you can check what other links you can get this unit in, but shout out to them for sending me that card. Okay, so this unit is loose wave. It's not loose deep wave, it is loose wave, okay? So I sometimes I wonder about the difference because some companies will say loose wave and loose deep wave, and I sometimes feel like it's used interchangeably, but in my opinion, the loose wave is a lot looser than the loose deep wave. You know what I mean? The loose deep wave have really deep waves. You know what I mean? It's kind of like getting curly and a deep curly. So in my opinion, this is definitely a loose wave unit, and that's what they stated. It doesn't shed and tangle straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point, oh, girl won't do any other things, but straight out of the packaging, she does not, okay? As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, and I still have some room, but I am an average cap size. So, girl, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. But in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. And as far as the unit coming pre-tweezed, it definitely did. Once again, this is my opinion, but I did not do anything to this hairline. I did not tweeze it whatsoever. She woke up like this, girl. Now, I did bleach the knots because I done told y'all I am on my kick with the bleaching of the knots. So I did do that, but as far as tweezing the unit, tweezing the parting space, any of that, I did not have to do any of the things. So shout out to them for that. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I had to think and kind of search a little bit for what would be a con, because this unit is a 13 by 5.5, okay? You guys know I've been fussing about not just getting a whole bunch of 13 by 4s, but this one is a 13 by 5. And like you can see, the parting space, and it goes back a little further. So that's a plus. But the con would be for me, there's like a little hump right here where the weft does start. I don't know what that would be called, but it is just a little hump, and it's just in this spot right here. So I wanted to kind of just throw that out there. That was the only kind that I could personally find. So I want to throw it out there. I don't know if it was just something with my unit, or if you decided to purchase this unit, it will be the case for you. But I wanted to let you know just in case. Now, my pros with this unit is the fact that, first of all, it's 150% density, and it does feel 150% density, and I love that they were honest about that. You know, sometimes that's a bit of an annoyance for me, for you to say something is 180 and it's actually given 150. This unit is definitely given 150. It is a very lightweight, sort of natural looking loose wave unit. So that is a pro for me. I don't know if I said kind of in the beginning, but I meant pro. And yeah, the hairline is definitely a pro. The lace was extremely soft and easy to work with. That is a pro as well. And just the overall look of the unit. So yeah, those are my pros. I would personally recommend this wig. It was really easy to apply. I felt like it was beginner friendly. It didn't take a whole lot. I literally, sometimes I have to prep a wig the night before, but after looking at this unit, I realized I did not have to do that with this one. So that is, that always makes me personally recommend a unit, because I am nobody's beautician, okay, girl? So I like the same units that I feel like the average person would like, especially when they are applying it themselves. So I personally would definitely recommend this wig. All right, honey, let's do this full 360 in this lint check, girl. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, those that is this unit. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. Let me know if you are feeling this wig as much as I am. Let me know if you think it's a look. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Once again, shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltonMissy on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Bad little flex.